Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ome TV in your laptop or PC. So all you have to do is open up your browser, guys, and simple type in Ome TV and hit search. You'll find the official website Ome TV right there. So it's going to take you over to the official website, guys, and as you can see right here, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Facebook or continue with Google. I'm going to just choose, for example, Google at the moment there to continue, and just go ahead and click and continue. From there, select everything that it asks you for and click and continue right there. Now keep in mind that it is much better if you're using a computer that has a camera so that people are able to see you. In my case right now, I don't have a camera because I'm using my gaming PC, but you will start to see your picture showing up as well on the side. And once you're here, just simply go ahead and choose I am, select that you're male or female, and yeah, you can click and start. Keep in mind that you also have it available on Android and the App Store, so you can find it in the Play Store and also on the App Store as well. But all you have to do is click and start, and once you do that, guys, you should be able to start to see people showing up there in the application there of Ome TV. As I said, right now I don't have a camera, and you see right there that it requires. You can also go full screen if you need to, so that you can go ahead and start checking. You can select your country as well. So as you can see right here, I'm in Czech, so I can leave that as Czech right here, and all I will have to do is just simply click and start. Go ahead and try it out. As I said, in my case, I don't have a camera because this is a gaming computer right now. I don't have a camera right there, but you require to have that set up on your computer so that you can get started and start to see everyone and basically use Ome TV. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.